Hello, good morning students. How are you? I think you are quite well. Okay, last few months I've been talking to you. I'm explaining your problem. I'm covering the chapters with a small window. You can't see me properly also. Now I'm in a bigger screen. I'll be solving each and every questions in front of you. Okay, you can see me while solving the problem also. No problem. So last Saturday I took one class test. This time the attendance is very good. So still a few students they have not appeared for the test. I'll talk to them separately and I'll check your answer and I'll post your marks. But it will take little time. So please wait for that. Okay. Now today I am going to start a new chapter. Okay. This is chapter number 7. Algebraic expression and identities. Identities part I will come later on. Okay. First of all, we have to discuss about algebraic expressions. From class 6 and 7, you already are familiar with the term algebraic expression. So, first exercise 7.1 is basically a summary of class 6 and 7. Okay, so you have to just brush it up quickly. I will also cover it quickly and then we will come to the exercise. Okay, algebraic expression. What is algebraic expression? When a statement is expressed with the help of literal factors, that is English alphabet, A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z, any English alphabet, and numerical factors, that is number, along with arithmetic operators, that is plus, minus, multiplication, division, that expression is called algebraic expression. That means, I repeat, when any statement is expressed with the help of literal factors, numerical factors, arithmetic operators, then it is called algebraic expression. Example, say Ram is 4 years more than 3 times of his brother's age. 4 years more and 3 times. So let brother's age be X. So Ram will be what? 3 times plus 4. So this is Ram's age. Clear? So now 3x plus 4 is what? It is algebraic expression. Whatever the statement I have said, Ram is 4 years more than 3 times his brother says, this statement I have expressed within a very short place with the help of literal factor, numerical factor and arithmetic operator. Understood? So each part of the expression is called terms. Each part of the expression is called terms. An expression may consist of one term or many terms. It depends upon the statement. Clear? And inside the terms, these are called the factors. 3 and x are called the factor of 3x and 4 is constant. So factors are basically 2 types. One is the literal factors, another is constant, numerical factor, constant. Okay, so here literal factor and numerical factor both are there, and this is only a numerical factor, that is called constant. So in between the two factors, always remember there is a multiplication sign. Okay, are you clear? Now, so literal factors, that means the expression consisting of 2 types of factor, literal factors and constant. When it consists, sometimes it may consist both, or sometimes it only one factor. Clear? After factors, I am coming to terms. As I said, an expression may be one term or many terms. Say terms. Terms are again divided into like terms, and unlike terms. Unlike terms. Like terms are what? Say 3x square y 5 by 7 y x square. You see, numerical factor is not a matter. Whatever it may be a decimal number, it may be fractional rational number, it may be integer, it may be natural number or whole number. Okay, only you have to see the little factors and power. Are we clear? So here you see little factor is xy, here also xy. X and y, it may change its position. Like you know in arithmetic also, 2 into 3, 6, 3 into 6, 3 into 2 also 6. So in case of algebra also, if we change the position of the little factor, meaning does not change. Okay, so in both cases, little factors are same. And also power, you see, power x raised to 2. Here also x raised to 2, y raised to nothing. Why nothing is means, always you have to remember 1 is there. 1 is the exponent of every terms, and also when there is no numerical factor in front of the terms, then it is called the 1 is the numerical factor of each and every term when it is not there. So have you understood like terms? So when variables and the power of the variable both are same, then it will be like. When it is not same, that is unlike. Why? Because first exercise, addition and subtraction is there. Addition and subtraction is done basically between or among the like terms only. Okay, so like terms, if you don't know which are like terms, then you can't solve it. Okay, that's why I like to explain what is like term, what is unlike term. Unlike term, you see, say minus 7x y cube x square y cube, and here 0.5 x cube y square. What will you say about this? You see, numerical factor, as I told, when in terms numerical factor is there, you will not look at the numerical factor. It does not matter. Only you have to see the little factor. xy factor is there. Okay, but power x raised to 2. Here x raised to 3. Y raised to 3. Y raised to 2. So it is not matching. That's why these two are unlike term. Are you clear? This is called unlike term. Now next part I am coming for. You will go through the books. Even if you have class 7 standard book, you have not sold it, I think. You can take it out and go through again what is like terms, unlike terms. You will come to know. So now then I am coming to what? Factors, term. An expression consisting one term is called types of expression. Types of expression. So when it consists of monomial, binomial, trinomial, quadrinomial, etc. Pentanomial, hexanomial, octanomial. Generally we take quadrinomial till quadrinomial only. So monomial. Monomial means when the expression consisting of one term, say minus 4x square y, single, finished. X, y is there, numerical factor, sign, tail factor, everything is there. This is monomial. So even if I say 4y cube, y square, monomial. Okay, but binomial, how can I write down? X plus y, binomial. Then x cube, y minus 7. So it is consisting of two terms. When the terms are separated by plus minus sign, then you have to count. These are separated, x and y little factors separated by plus. So you have to count individually. It's a binomial, binomial. Trinomial means three terms. So this is constant part of the expression. This is also considered as one term. Okay, three terms is there, trinomial. Now binomial. Trinomial is x cube y square minus 3. Okay, then a plus b plus c. This is trinomial. Three terms are there. Quadrinomial means four terms, 7x plus 2y minus c plus d. Four terms are there. So terms are separated by plus minus sign. So quadrinomial. Now one important thing, you are in class 8. So all the time this easy type of question will not come. Say here I am saying you just extended form. Say 7x cube y plus 3y square minus 4 x cube y plus 8. Tell me, what type of expression it will be? It is binomial, monomial, trinomial or quadrinomial? Okay? What type of polynomial it will be? So it is 1, 2, 3, 4. So you cannot say it is a quadrinomial. Why? We have to see what type of terms are there. Is there any like terms or not? You see 7x cube y and 4x cube y are the like. We have to combine it. We have to reduce it. After reducing, then we will count individual term. Otherwise, you cannot say. So 7x cube y positive and 4x cube y negative, plus minus minus. So if I reduce it, it will be 3x cube y plus 3y square plus 8. Now I cannot reduce further. What type of term it is? What type of term it is? It is a trinomial. Finally here answer will be trinomial. So this type of question may come in your exam. If it is coming as auxiliary, I will give you identify the terms. It is a binomial, it is a trinomial. So option will be monomial, binomial, trinomial. You have to think about it and you have to answer it in the right place. Okay? So now next coming next question is degree of the polynomials. After that you will give a pause. Okay? Degree of polynomial. Polynomial. What is the meaning of degree of the polynomial? Say question number 4x cube y square z plus 3yx z cube minus 4 by 5 a cube b cube c cube minus 8. Question asking you, what is the degree of this degree of the polynomial? What is the degree of the polynomial? Degree of the polynomial does not mean what is the highest power. 3 is the highest power, you cannot say. Sometimes you have seen children are answering by looking simply just highest power. No, you have to find out the sum of the power. Sum of the power, that means 3 plus 2, 5. 5 is the total power is 6. Here total power is 5. 3 plus 1 plus 1. Nothing is there means 1 power is there. Here 3 plus 3, 6 plus 3. What is the power? 9. So degree of the polynomial is 9. You have to add all the powers of the terms of that expression. Then highest power will be the degree of polynomial. Understood? Don't see simply the power of the polynomial. It will be the degree of the polynomial. Understood? The highest power. Now polynomial may consist one term, or then how you define the polynomial? Okay. Next coming polynomial. Polynomial. What is polynomial? This is very important part. So I am talking about polynomial. Polynomial, that means a term, an expression, an algebraic expression is called polynomial if the power of the variables involved in each term are non-negative. That means 4x cube y square, it is polynomial because you see power of this variable is polynomial, positive. Now, but here minus 3x raised to 3, y raised to minus 2, it is not polynomial. Power of the variable is negative, or you can say 4x cube y square by 3z cube. It is also not polynomial because when z will come up, so it will be what? 4 by 3 x cube y square z raised to minus 3. So when any power is coming negative, that will not be a polynomial. And the expression generally we express a is to x raised to n, where a will be the rational number and x is the variable and the power will be positive number. A raised to a into x raised to n. This order it will be. So polynomial, an expression consisting may consist one term itself a polynomial and many terms itself a polynomial. Similarly, I talked about monomial, binomial, trinomial. It does not matter the algebraic expression we have to we should have this number of terms. So a single term will be the polynomial. You cannot say monomial, binomial, trinomial, then it will come polynomial. No. Polynomial means in this expression whatever it is coming. It may consist of one term, it may consist of many terms. That is a polynomial. Okay. Now the next topic is coefficient. It is also very important part. Sometimes children are forgetting, so they are not able to write right answer. Okay. What is coefficient? Suppose one example, minus 3x cube y square z. Okay, if simply question asking you what is the coefficient, so the way only they are asking what is the coefficient or numerical coefficient, we consider only the numerical part. Okay, but when you say coefficient of z, in this term coefficient of z, so that means leaving z, all the remaining part, coefficient of z equal to minus 3x cube y square, and only numerical coefficient, find the coefficient of the following terms. Only coefficient is equal to minus 3. Have you understood? It depends upon the instruction. When you are being asked, find the coefficient of the following terms, so you consider only the numerical factors before the each term, numerical coefficient. When nothing is in front of there, that means 1 is there, I told, 1 is the numerical coefficient, and if there is, suppose in z, there is no power, you have to imagine 1 is the exponent of every literal factors. Okay, so that means coefficient is what? Any factor of a non-constant term of an algebraic expression is called the coefficient of that term. Coefficient of the term. Any factors of a non-constant term of algebraic expression is called coefficient of the term. Generally, simply, when there is a find the coefficient of the following term, we consider the numerical factor. But when particularly you say, what is the coefficient of z? The coefficient of z in this term is minus 3x cube y square. Leaving that. But again, coefficient if I say coefficient of x, what will be answer? Tell me. Coefficient of x in this term. What is the coefficient of x? How many x was there? X is there. X raised to 3. That means you have to delete one x from this factor and remaining all part will be the coefficient. So coefficient of x is minus 3x square y square z. Have you understood? Be careful. We have x raised to 3. So we have to reduce one power and remaining all part will be the coefficient of x in the term minus 3x square y cube. Okay? Have you understood? This is all of the preliminary explanations. Now I can start exercise. Okay? Then take out your book and notebook. Okay? Exercise number 9.1. Exercise. This is the exercise is 9.1. Sorry, chapter is 9. Earlier it was old book. This book is 7. Okay, 9. Okay. Now I can start exercise 9.1. So as per instruction, you have to proceed. What was the instruction given? As per instruction, you have to go. So you see, first question: identify the terms, their coefficient for each of the following expression. Question number 1. Okay, identify the terms. The 5 terms. Question number 1, part 1. 5 x y z square x y z square minus 3x 3zx zy minus 3zy. What they are asking? First part is the terms find out karo, and second is what is the coefficient. When you say coefficient of the term means only numerical factor. Okay, so the terms are here. Terms are so 5x y square comma, and this minus sign will include next term minus 3z y. These are the term, and coefficient. What is the coefficient of first one? 5. What is the coefficient of second one? Minus 3. The coefficient means here numerical factor. Clear? Now part 2. 1 plus x square. So terms क्या है? Terms are 1 along constant along a term x and x square. What is the numerical coefficient? Coefficient is equal to 1 1 1. So 1 is the coefficient of each and every term here in this situation. So if you are not able to write, you will pause the video and you will write down. Okay. Third number, 4x square y square, 4x square y square minus 4 x square y square z square plus z square. So we have to find out the terms first. Terms are 4x square y square, comma. This one is the minus 4x square y square z square. Next one is the z square. And coefficient the first one is the 4. Second one is the minus 4. Third one is 1. Nothing is there. 1 is the numerical coefficient of each and every part. Okay. Next is 4. 3 minus PQ plus QR. PQ plus QR minus RP. So terms are 3. Next one is the PQ minus PQ. Next one is the QR. Next one is the QR. Next one is the RP. And coefficient. What is the coefficient of the numerical coefficient? Alone is a term 3. This one is minus 1. Nothing is there means 1 is there, minus 1. Nothing is there means 1. Nothing is there means minus 1. So these are the numerical coefficient. Clear? So similarly, I am giving you question number 1, part 5 and part 6. You will do at home. Okay? Homework. Now coming to next. I will written this one. If I am not able to, you will pause the video and note down the entire part. Okay? I am quickly covering this part so that I can revise again. So number of times revisions, it will build up your knowledge. Number 2. What is the question? Classify the following polynomials as monomial, binomial, trinomial. Just I have discussed which polynomial do not fit in any of these 3 categories. Okay. So now you just write down the expression and side main. You just write down it is monomial, it is binomial, it is trinomial, this way. First one is x plus y. Tell me what it will be. X plus y. Definitely it is a binomial. Binomial. Number 2 is only 1000. A constant. Constant is itself a term. It is monomial. Number 3, x plus x square plus x cube plus x 4. Tell me what will be the expression? It is 4 terms there. Quadrinomial. Now next one, 7 plus y plus 5x. How many terms are there? 3 terms. Trinomial. 5. Question number 5. Minus 5x. ठीक है, okay. Then 2y minus 3y square. It is binomial. Next one, 6. 2y minus 3y square plus 4y cube. It is trinomial. Trinomial. Then 5x. Next one is 5x minus 4y plus 3xy. Same, trinomial. Next one, 4z minus 15z square. Okay? It is binomial. Next one, 9. AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. So, why they are saying which is not in this group? Because they have given which one is monomial, binomial, trinomial. But in addition of this, we have one more part, that is quadrinomial. That's why they are saying which is not in this group. The quadrinomial they have not mentioned, but it is coming. You have to write down. So it is also quadrinomial. quadrinomial. So in algebra we have to solve on the board only. We cannot solve it through PowerPoint. Okay? And now PQR. PQR. So only one term. So it is a monomial. Monomial. So then 11 P square Q plus P Q square. Okay? It will be what? Binomial. Understood? We'll note down. Now I am giving from my side. You have to write down on notebook. You have to mention what type of polynomial it is or what type of expression it is. Extra. Okay? Just I am showing you extra. You have to do it on your notebook. Fair notebook. Okay? Extra. Identify the type of polynomial or algebraic expression of algebraic expression. It may be monomial, it may be binomial, trinomial, quadrinomial, but what I said while answering, you are in class 8, not in 6, 7. Okay? While answering, you have to see whether you can minimize the expression or not. Okay? By adding one term with other, if they are like. If not like, then you have to count and you have to write down. Okay? Say this one, 3x cube minus 4x square plus x cube plus 4y. You have to answer. In each case, I will just make it complex one. 7 by 4 x square y minus 3xyz plus xzy minus 1. 4x square plus x square. Okay? 3 questions I am giving extra. You will write down on your notebook. Okay? Now, coming to next question. Add the following. You see, in class 6, 7, you have how to add this. 2 methods. One is the column method, another is the horizontal method. But you are in class 8 and then after 1 year you will be in 9th. Okay, always you will follow horizontal method. Only this lower class students, they will follow column method. Okay, how to do this horizontal method? Just I am telling you, you can write down. Okay, have you written this one? Now I am coming to next question. So if anyone is not able to write, you will pause the video and you will write down. Okay, no problem. Now question number 3, add. 3 part 1, AB minus BC, comma, BC minus CA, comma, CA minus AB. Now in class 6, 7, you just follow the horizontal column method. You will not follow. Whatever the instruction is there, whatever the comma sign is there, you have to replace the comma sign by plus sign. Okay. And after plus sign, if any term comes negative, that particular term should be kept in bracket. Otherwise, not. So simply I will write down AB minus BC. Okay. Plus BC minus CA plus CA minus AB. So you see, what is this like term? Minus BC and plus BC. Same term, opposite sign get cancelled. CA plus minus CA plus CA cancel. Minus AB plus AB cancel. What is the answer? 0. Very simple if you follow this horizontal method. Okay? No need to follow column method. Yes, after saying this many instruction, I have seen children still they are following this column method. Okay? If you are feeling comfortable with the column method, you can. But I would suggest follow horizontal method because class 9, 10, class 9th and 10th, nobody will accept your column method. Okay? You have to follow horizontal one. Okay? Number 2, A minus B plus AB, comma, B minus C plus BC, comma, C minus A plus AC. Very easy. Just you replace the comma sign. After that you have to rearrange. All the like terms should be written serially. एक के बाद एक. So A minus B plus AB plus B minus C plus BC plus C minus A plus AC. Okay, now you write down all the A should be in font. So A, another here minus A, minus B plus B. Okay, minus C plus C. All are over. Now AB, BC, AC plus AB plus BC plus AC. After writing like terms, whatever the unlike terms are there, you will write down. Now you see again same. My plus A minus A cancel. Minus B plus B cancel. Minus C plus C cancel. And what is the left out? This one is the AB plus BC plus CA. So final answer is AB plus BC plus CA. I am doing what? I am adding numerical factors of the like terms and I am arranging them as a like term only. If the terms are not like, at the end I will keep it. And finally, whatever result is coming, I will write down. Okay? 1 and 2 is over. Now next question. Write down first, please. Write down. If you have any question, and obviously after presentation you will send your WhatsApp message or WhatsApp chat. I will be ready for next 1 hour. Okay? Now question number 3, 2 p square q square minus 3pq plus 4 comma 5 plus 7pq minus 3 p square q square. Okay? So now very easy, same procedure. You have to replace the comma by writing plus sign. 2p square q square minus 3pq plus 4, then plus 5 plus 7pq minus 3p square q square. Now we arrange the like term. So this is p square q square and this is also p square q square. Write down 2p square q square minus 3p square q square. Clear? Next, minus 3pq plus 7pq and plus 4 plus 5. So what is the result of this? 2p square q square or minus 3p square q square. What is the result? Plus minus? Minus. Okay, then it is coming minus p square q square. What is the result of this? Plus 4pq plus 9 up to this. So remaining question I will do the next day. Today up to this much. Okay? And our next class will be, I think, Wednesday. Till then, bye bye student.